Good morning, class. Our topic today is temptation, and my focus will be on erection. 3 points. Write them down. Number 1, as long as you are in this life, there is no graduation from temptation. Number 2, you will be tempted, but with every temptation, the Lord, God Almighty, your Creator, who knows you and knows the temptations you face, will make a way of escape for you so that you can endure it. Number 3, it is not a sin to have an erection. I learned from a teacher. He said, it is not a sin to have an erection. It is a sin to go in the direction of the erection. I repeat, it is not a sin to have an erection. It is natural. It is a sin to go in the direction of the erection. I will continue next time on this series on temptation. Have a great day. Bye.